Hi everyone and welcome back to the G.life. So in today's video I thought I would show you guys how I make my Spanish rice. So I make this Spanish rice quite a lot and we love it, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, starting with the ingredients, I normally don't do vegetables in my rice, but I decided to add some this day. You'll need some kind of chicken broth, either the powder or actual chicken broth. You'll need obviously rice, olive oil, and tomato sauce. So this day I'm actually tripling how much rice I'm making because I want to have enough to freeze. So you'll see that with everything I'm tripling the amount that I'm putting in. So the first thing I'm going to do is on a hot pan I'm going to add some olive oil and let that heat up, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my rice. I added about 3 cups of rice and I'm just going to let that fry in the olive oil until it turns a nice golden brown. Now that the rice is a nice golden brown, I'm going to go ahead and add tomato sauce. I had a canned tomato sauce that has about 16 ounces, and then I had a small container in the refrigerator with tomato sauce, and I also had some frozen. So you see me add a lot of different tomato sauce from different sources, but it's all the same thing. After the tomato sauce, I'm going to add the water, and then I'm going to add the chicken broth in powder form. If you have actual chicken broth, then you wouldn't add water, you would just add the chicken broth in replacement of the water. And then I'm just going to add the vegetables now, and then I'm going to mix everything up. I'm going to turn the burner to low and cover it and let it cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. I like to use the pan with the glass top just so I could see how far the rice is cooking and to see if it's being overcooked or undercooked. And now that it's all done and cooked, I'm just going to fluff it up and mix everything around. This day I paired my rice with enchiladas, but you can pair this with any kind of Mexican food. You can even add shredded chicken to this and kind of make that a whole meal. It tastes super good and this freezes so well. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!